Alright guys, so today we're going to take out the seats. It's just going to be a 14L socket. There's some brackets, not brackets, but like plastic covers in the back that you'll take out. Come and see so you can... These plastic brackets right here, they just pop off real quick. All it is two. There's one. Alright, so now let's try to do the other side. Oh, there we go. I'll just switch that straight back real quick. That's the in. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That's one, that's two. Let's move over to the front. Take those out real quick. And go ahead and there we go. So with the fit, is super easy. Like, these are right in front, easy to take out, no muss, no fuss, no coconuts, just right here in front. I know some cars, the things will be like, the bolts will be on the side or they'll be in awkward positions, but thank you, Honda, for making this quick and easy uninstall. All right, and that's 4. Next, we'll have to lift this up real quick. Come here. There's a harness down here. There's one clip. Wait, do we have to undo this one? Yeah, let's undo this one. Hang on. There we go, that's one. Being something from the early 2000s, I'm surprised it has all these. This one, it's 2. Oh man, I forgot his name. I think it's One Small Garage. Was saying that there's 3 of them. Here's the 3rd one. How are we taking this out? If you guys aren't following him, check him out. He just did the same thing, but for the driver's side on his little Honda Fit. Oh, there we go. Slide that out. Let's see here. What do we got? How are we taking you out? I don't know. Oh, easy. All right. And then this harness is the last one. There we go. Just pops right out. And the front seat is out. This is years and years. Look at that. That is from when I graduated college? Yeah, college. Interesting. Ooh, found some monies. I'm a whole 30-cent switcher now. Who says TikTok doesn't pay? I mean, YouTube. We're not on TikTok yet. All right, that's it. We can now go ahead and remove the seat. Watch out. Take it out. Oh. Now with this seat out, we'll go ahead and sit up right here. Oh man, seat belt. I forgot one more thing, I guess. Pause it. Alright guys, so here are the seats. We've got our Prisma Recliners. We got our stock GE8 OEM seats. Let's start doing some measurements, right? Just so we can see what's the difference. So from top, let's put this all the way down. There we go. So from the bottom of the seat to right here, we're looking at 31.5 inches. On this side, looking at 33.5 inches, so look like 2 inches taller. Next we'll do the width. Right here, we'll go at like the widest point, 21 inches across. On the Prismas, we're looking at about 19 and a half ish inches. So a little bit thinner, a little bit more narrower. Bolstering is about 3 inches on the stock. 4.25 on the Prismas. This right here, this is where you're gonna get some support. Obviously, you can see there's not much anything right here. Here you got a good side bolster. Length of the seat, you're looking at 20 inches versus 18 and a half. So it's a little bit narrow, a little bit shorter. But yeah, that's it. All right, guys. So we've got a couple wires here. This one is your seatbelt wire. So this is letting you know your passenger has their seatbelt on. I'll go ahead and try to remove that. Oh my gosh, come on now. There we go. Right here too. Take this one out. There you go. And this will be our seatbelt. This will go on the other side over there. All right, next we have our, so I'm thinking this one is like the weight sensor. There's a weight sensor, and then there's a, I think it's a seat position sensor. Let's see, where does this one go? Yeah, this is gonna be, oh, so there's two, one right there, one right there. The seat position sensor, oh, they're all tied in. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I asked you to, all right. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna have to, I think what one garage was saying was that basically we need to run a resistor to this one so we can trick the computers in thinking that the seatbelt is stuck or in place. Dude, what the fudge? I said fudge. Okay. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. That sounds like a problem for a later day. Let's go ahead and put this back in. Cool. Let's put that on the seatbelt. Interesting. I'm gonna need a nut. Yep, we're gonna need a nut. A nut to fit onto this. So we can't just bolt this in like that. We'll need a nut and a washer to go on the other side of that. That I do not have, so I'm gonna have to run down the hardware store for that. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this back on. We got a washer and a nut. Here's the size nut that we got from the Home Depots. Okay, we're taking the chair back out. Because it's going to be a lot easier to just put the seat in and put the seatbelt in. Hang on. There we go. I'll take the seat out and then we will. Okay, those are bolts already. Cool. I will warn you guys, this seat is not any lighter. It's not just as heavy as the original. Don't expect any weight savings. Don't expect any weight savings from the stock or from the recliners. The Prismas, probably, recliners not so much. So we'll go ahead Come over here on this side. To it like that. Still maintain some flexibility. I'm just going to use a simple, if I can find it, this should be fine. So we'll hold that in place and tighten this down. Still moves, perfect. Give it one more. Cool. And there we go, that's our seat belt. Now let's go ahead and pull the bolts. Do the fronts first. We'll apply some Loctite 271. Those are the rears. Here's the front bolts. Just a dab, nothing crazy. There you go, that's it. Oh, that's a lot. Put those down. Chair, let's put it back in. Ooh. All right, let's see. Go ahead and plug in the harness. This is one of the harnesses that it has. There's like 3 of them. Then one the seat position, one is the airbag, and lastly the seat belt. Thread that in a little bit to get that started. Cool. Yeah. So I checked online real quick. Apparently 2 or 3 Ugga-Tuggas. But we do have a proper torque wrench. Pause. Alright, we got a torque wrench. Use a quick little extension just to get that 34 pounds. Cool. That was easy. Alright, so the front is done. Let's move over to the rears. Grab these two. One thing I did notice, the seat belt is attached to the seat on the stock, so we're gonna have to attach this part to the base just so that we can get a good mount for the bottom of the seat belt. Now if you're using a point harness, you probably have to use something more better, something else. Hang on, this one's a little off. Okay. Pause. All right, before you tighten down the front, make sure you get all the holes in first. There we go, that's better. All right, And pass me the drill. Cool. Cool. Pass me the torque wrench. Here, all right, and just like the front, we'll go ahead and torque down the back, putting it down at 35 foot-pounds. Cool. All right, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is our seat. Get in, give it a feel. Okay. Oh yeah. This. Another thing you want to notice is that you're going to want to keep this up top so you have more space. Take it right here. There's maybe a finger's gap in between the top part. Seatbelt clicks in. Nice. And like I said, I'm about 220, 5'7", so I'm not a small guy. I'm not a thin guy. Waist is about a 38. These fit okay. I do enjoy the reclining feature. That's my favorite part. This is nice, man. All right, cool. That's it for this video. I'll probably do another one on the driver's side. The driver's side might be a little different. Might make it a little maybe just put in one position depending on how I like it. Seat height wise, honestly I feel like it's about the same seat height. Yeah, I don't know what else. If you guys have any questions, comment below. I'll get back to them as soon as I can. Don't forget, like and subscribe.